Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in the LT Trail Boss trim, and it features a black paint finish. The vehicle has features including the Z71 off-road package, black aluminum wheels, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and much more. Now into the front of the vehicle, we can see our chrome door handle. Just beyond that, we have our door locks. Moving down, we have all of our power window controls. At the bottom is our window locks. Then we have our windows with one touch up and down driver's side. At the bottom, we have some additional storage. Up to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our drive mode select, as well as our tow mode. Below that, we have all of our light controls, including in-bed lighting. To the middle, we have our digital cluster gauge. We have an information system in the middle. On the left-hand side, we have all of our cruise control, as well as our heated steering wheel button. Then on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free settings. Moving to the middle, we have our touchscreen infotainment system with our Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as our backup camera. Below it, we have some additional controls if we choose not to use the touchscreen feature. Then we have our dual zone climate control for our front seats. On the bottom left and right-hand side, we have our passenger and driver heated seats. Then below, we have our descent assist, our easy open tailgate, as well as our hazards and ABS buttons. We have our trailer assist here. Then we have a USB and a micro USB, and next to that, that is a flip-up 12-volt plug. Down in our center console, we have some additional storage. Here we can see our key since we are full push-to-start features. On the top, we have our lock and unlock. On the bottom, the circle is our remote starter. The right-hand side is our open for our trunk. Back a little bit farther, we have two cup holders and some storage. Then we have our center console. Opening it up, we can see we have deep storage inside of there. Moving across to our passenger seat, we can see they are a black cloth, and of course the front seats are heated. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, our rear cabin check reminder, and our light controls. Walking down the side of the Silverado, we can see before our front driver's door, we have our Z71 badging. Moving down, we can see our black aluminum rims with Chevrolet bowtie center cap. Up, we can see we have a paint match side mirror, as well as a paint match door handle with one-touch keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our trail bass bodging on our... Then we have our corner steps. We have our trailer hitch as well as our trailer connections. We can see we have our Chevrolet logo in the center as well as our Silverado and LT badging on the left and right respectively. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have our backup camera. To open the back, we can do it with a press of a button through either the keys or through our front console or the button itself. And to the bed of the truck, we have in-bed lighting and a bed liner. Now into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have our chrome door handle, our window controls, as well as extra storage in the door panel. Moving inside, we can see we have our magazine holder in the seat in front of us. In the center, we have our vents, as well as our USB-C, micro USB, and 12-volt plug. On the passenger side, we also have our magazine holder. Moving to our seats, we can see they are featured in the same black cloth the front is. We have 3 seats in the back. We have a foldable cup holder in our center seat. And then on either of the outboard seats, we have extra storage in the back of them. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.